Hello my dear students, good morning. Now we will discuss about the balancing of redox reaction in presence of basic medium actually. OH minus means what? Basic medium. In presence of acidic medium we discussed H plus. Okay, so one thing that is balancing of Mr. Hydrogen is only the difference. Balancing of hydrogen in acidic medium, what we did we know. So now that balancing of hydrogen in presence of base, I told you clearly which side you have more number of hydrogens, that side you have to add OH minus ions. In the opposite side, how many OH minus ions you added, those many water molecules you have to add, that's it. Okay, remaining everything is quite common. Okay, so let's see here. Same story, this I was given for you as a homework like that. So in acidic medium I was given, so same we will do in basic medium. So everybody knows that this chromium oxidation state X is equals to, here you are getting I think plus 6, correct? Huh? So 2x plus 7 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2, so that you will get plus 6, and here chromium is plus 3, and here sulfur is plus 4, and here sulfur is plus 6 actually. So like this, you know, this conversion. So here to here means plus 6 converted to plus 3 is a reduction half. This is what? Reduction half. And plus 4 converted to plus 6. This is oxidation half. So what to do, you know? Oxidation half and reduction half, you have to split. Okay, two columns you have to write. So I'll erase this, because what is oxidation half you know, and what is reduction half you know. Why this is oxidation understood now everyone? So plus 4 converted to plus 6, oxidation state increased, so that is oxidation. So I'll write that now separately, both oxidation half as well as reduction half. First I'll write oxidation half. So in oxidation half what part I'll write, and in reduction half what part I'll write, you can understand. So in oxidation half I'll write Mr. First step like that. So SO3 minus 2 converted to SO4 minus 2. This is oxidation half, right? And what is the reduction half? I'll write here. In this reduction half, that Cr2O7 minus 2 gives rise to Cr plus 3. This is what? This is the reduction half. Okay, everybody knows this. This is reduction half. Okay, so both we know now. So what is the first step? We know already. So except oxygen and hydrogen, remaining atoms you have to balance. So that step, it's very simple. Here sulfur and here sulfur. So here I'll have SO3 minus 2. So here also I'll have SO4 minus 2 without any changes I have to write. So third step, everybody knows that balancing of oxygen by adding water molecules. So here 3 oxygens are there, here 4 oxygens are there. So 1 oxygen is less. So here 1 water molecule you have to add. So what I have to do, SO3 minus 2 plus H2O and gives rise to SO4 minus 2. So what is this called? This is oxidation or reduction? Oxidation half. In oxidation half what I did? I was balanced oxygens. How? Here 3 oxygens are there 4 oxygens are there. So 1 oxygen is less in reactant side. So I was added 1 water molecule. So what the change we made, that we have to underline, I told you. So why we have to underline it? Just for understanding, that's it. And we should have some clarity. And next, what to do means balancing of hydrogen. How to balance hydrogen? I told you in previous also. Wherever you have more number of hydrogens, there you have to add what? OH minus ions, because we are doing this in what medium? In basic medium we are doing. We are doing this in basic medium. So in basic medium, wherever you have more number of hydrogens, there you have to add OH minus ions. Okay, sir, how many, sir? How many hydrogens are there? More. Those many we have to add OH minus ions. In the opposite side, how many OH minus you have added, those many water molecules you have to add. Side means what is the meaning? Reactant side and product side. So in reactant side I have 2 hydrogens and in product side no hydrogens. So 2 hydrogens are more in reactant side, so 2 OH minus ions in reactant side. So what I will take here? SO3 minus 2 plus H2O plus 2 OH minus and gives rise to SO4 minus 2 plus 2 H2O. Got it clearly? So what the change we made, I will underline here. 2 OH minus ions and 2 water molecules. 2 H2O. 2 H2O. So this H2O and 2 H2O will cancel and H2O remains. Here we will do that, means here also you can do, but later on finally we will do by cross multiplication. Afterwards also we can do the same. Okay, so no problem. So what I did here, 2 hydrogens are there extra. Extra means here nothing. So 2 hydrogens are there in reactant side. So those many OH minus ions I was added in reactant side. How many OH minus I was added? 2 OH minus ions. 2 water molecules I was added. 2 water molecules. Very clearly? So balancing of hydrogen also over now. You can check 4 hydrogens and 2 2s are 4 hydrogens. Oxygens also you can check. See here 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2, 6. Or oxygens also got balanced. Now charge balancing how to do, I told you already. Here minus 2 you have and here 2 into minus 1 means minus 2 here. So what is the charge you have here? Charge is a minus 4. Why minus 4 understood charge here? Because here minus 2. Oh sir, it's minus 1 no sir. No. Minus 1 only. But 1 OH minus means minus 1. But 2 OH minus ions are there. So certainly minus 2 you have to consider. As I said, H plus ions, 1H plus plus 1, 2H plus 2, like that I said. So here 2 OH minus ions, so minus 2. So total charge you have minus 2, minus 4 sorry, and here minus 2. What is the charge here? Minus 2. Here equal I written, charge is equal to minus 4 in reactant side, charge is equal to minus 2 in product side. Which is more? This is more. Sir, both are negative, what will happen if you ask in previous, personally? So I'll give you clarity now. So minus 4 mathematically only, including charges, okay, including signs, sorry. Here minus 4 and here minus 2. So minus 2 is big, according to maths, okay. So this minus 2 is big or not numerically. So here we will add 2 electrons. So minus 2 and plus 2 electrons, that's it. So why we added 2 electrons understood? Because 1 electron means minus 1, 2 electron means minus 2. That's why we added 2 electrons here. Got it? So in that way we have minus 4 now in this side also. Previously minus 2 and minus 2 plus of 2 electrons means 1 electron minus 1, 2 electrons minus 2. So 2 electron you have right in product side. I told you blindly you can remember number of electrons you will get in product side for oxidation. Told you already. So that I will write here now. So what I will write? SO3 minus 2 plus H2O. Here also you can change actually if you want, sir. 2 sides water molecules I feel I am not comfortable, sir. So I will change means here H2O, here 2 H2O. So 1 H2O you will have in product side. That way also you can write. That means like this. So SO3 minus 2 and 2 OH minus gives rise to SO4 minus 2. So 1 water molecule I was cancelled. Sir, here 2x and here x. So remaining x in the product side or not, like that. Okay, I am not doing any unknown thing. It's a known thing only. So 1 water molecule you will have at the same time and 2 electrons you will have. So what the change we made, that we will underline. 2 electrons in product side. You observed or not? In previous, in acidic medium also 2 electrons only. So what the change? Here OH minus ions we will add and the same number of water molecules in the opposite side. Everything will get balanced. You can check now. See, 2 hydrogens, here 2 hydrogens. Oxygens 3 and 2, 5. 4 and 1, 5. Oxygens got balanced. Now charge is also balanced or not, you can check. minus 2 and 2 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 2 and 2 electrons. 2 electrons means minus 2 minus 4. So that side minus 4, this side also minus 4. I repeat, minus 2 OH minus means minus 1 So 2 OH minus means minus 2 minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4. Got it? SO4 minus 2. So here minus 2 and 1 electron means minus 1. 2 electrons means minus 2 or not? So 2 electrons minus 2. So here 2 electrons minus 2 and here minus 2, minus 4. Both sides charge balanced. Got it? So come to this second step. What we will do means except oxygen and hydrogen, remaining atoms you have to balance. In previous we don't have that headache because both sides you have same number of sulfur atoms. But here not. So here 2 chromiums you have, here 1 chromium. So you have to use some suitable number I told, Cr2O7 minus 2 and this 2Cr plus 3, like this you have, right? 2Cr plus 3, right? So you have like the second step, I hope you understood. So 2Cr3 plus, and third step what I have to do means we have to balance oxygen atoms by substituting number of water molecules. Okay, continuously I am talking, right? Yes. Here 7 oxygens are there. Here no oxygens. So 7 water molecules you have to add in product side. So what you will have, and Cr2O7 minus 2 and 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Why I written 7H2O, understood everyone? So here 7 oxygens are there. So here no oxygen. So how many less number of oxygens are there? Those many water molecules you have to add. So 7 water molecules I was added. And now fourth step is balancing of Mr. hydrogens. How to balance hydrogens? By adding OH minus ions. Same story, wherever you have more number of hydrogens, there you have to add OH minus. In the opposite side, same number of water molecules you have to add. So I will check here. What the change? 7H2O. Here what is the change? 2. So if you see in reactant side, is there any hydrogen? No. In product side, 7 to 0, 14 hydrogens are there. So 0 hydrogens in reactant side, 14 hydrogens in product sides. 14 OH minus ions you have to add in product side and 14 water molecules you have to add in reactant side. I repeat, 14 hydrogens are more in product side. So 14 OH minus ions you will add in product side and 14 water molecules you will add in reactant side. So what I will do here, I will write Cr2O7 minus 2 and first I will write this side 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O plus 14 OH minus ions. It's not 140 sir, 14 OH minus ions please. Okay, so 14 OH minus ions. So 14 water molecules I have to add, 14 H2O. What I did, 14 water molecules. How many OH minus ions I added? In which side more number of hydrogens are there? The same number of water molecules I have to add in opposite side. Of course, as I said, you can now cancel number of water molecules. 7 water molecules remains in reactant side. That's it. Now charge balancing. Here minus 2. Here 2 3s are. Some people forgot this 2. Only they took plus 3. No. 2 3s are plus 6. And 14 OH. So minus 14. Everybody understanding why minus 14 I took here? So 14 OH minus. 1 OH means minus 1. 14 OH minus ions means minus 14. So here minus 2 you have. Here 6 minus 14. That means how many you will have? Here 6 minus 14 means I think minus 8 you have, right? Minus 8. Here minus 2. Got it clearly? So how many electrons I have to add? 6. 6 electrons I have to add. Correct? Correct or wrong? 6 plus 8. 14 or not? Correct. So minus 8 you have here charge. Here minus 2 you have charge. So 6 electrons I have to add in where you have more charge. Okay, the side in which you have more charge, there you have to add electrons, I told or not. So minus 2 and here minus 8, here minus 2 and here minus 8. Equal you can write, equal to. Charge is equal to. So difference only, 2 and 8 difference is 6 or not? 6 electrons. So what the step, I can write now fifth step. What is the fifth step? And Cr2O7 minus 2. Water molecules you cancel here, 14 and 7. 14 minus 7, 7. So 7H2O plus 2 electron, oh shit, sorry. Here I have to take 6 electrons and gives rise to what? 2 Cr plus 3 plus 14 OH minus. You can check now here. What is sir? So 14 OH minus and 2 Cr plus 3, 7 water molecule cancelled here. Don't think I forgot. So 14 water and 7 water. So remaining is 7 water molecules. So 6 electrons is the difference. Okay, so you can check now charge whether balanced or not. Minus 2 and minus 6, minus 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 14, minus 8. Charge got balanced in both sides. So here you have 2 and here you have 6. Actually I told 2 and 6 cross multiply. So many people this equation multiplied with 6 and this equation multiplied with 2. That's fine. But here only you can simplify also. 2 and 6 means 1 and 3, right? So you have no need to multiply this because 1 you have. So this reaction if you multiply with 3 is enough now. I can do that. Clear? So I repeat, here 2 electrons, here 6 electrons. 2 and 6 are multiples to each other. So simplest one you can take. So simplest one means least one. 2 2s are second table. 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. So 1 and 3. So this equation you have to multiply with 1 and this equation you have to multiply with 3. No sir, confusion. Sorry. Why sir means here you can multiply with 6 and this reaction you can multiply with 2. Got it? That we can do now. So you can add easily both. Okay. So what we did here is just balancing of redox reaction in basic medium. Have a screenshot and just cross multiply. So this step remains. Everything I will arise. Please have a screenshot or pause the video and write down and listen again. Okay. So till here everybody understood. So I'll arise this because I'll cross multiply and I will write down. Okay, whole reaction. So what is the difference here? Mainly what we are doing means we are mainly the difference is balancing of hydrogens. Okay, here we are using OH minus ions because in basic medium you have OH minus ions. Okay, so this this I can write as it is, or first I will multiply with 3 this one. Okay, so what I can do now, so 3 SO3 minus 2 plus 3 2s are 6 OH minus and gives rise to 3. Okay, so 3 SO4 minus 2 and 3 water molecules, 3 H2O plus 3 2s are 6 electrons. Why we are multiplying, cross multiplying understanding? To cancel number of electrons. If you cross multiply, number of electrons will become same in opposite side. See, 2 3s are 6, here 6. Here 6 electrons in product side, but in this equation 6 electrons in reactant side. So both will cancel. So this equation I will write. So this is actually oxidation part, right? Yes. And what is the reduction part? Reduction part. As it is you can write now. Cr2O7 minus 2 and plus 7H2O plus 6 electrons and gives rise to what you have there, 2 Cr plus 3 and plus 14 OH minus ions. 14s are not 140s, that is 14 OH minus. Okay. So what you have now, cross multiplication, anything is opposite same, you have to subtract, that you have. Okay, so this SO3 is only 1, so I can write 3 SO3 minus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 plus water molecules. If you see 7 water molecules and 3 water molecules, so 4 water molecules in reactant side. Electrons will cancel in opposite side. Who are cancel? Electron cancel in opposite side. Correct, sir? In our regular classes, we can communicate and we can talk, but here continuously me only talking. See, seriously, it's a bad time for us, but we have to adjust and you have to learn. Okay, in any condition, we have to learn. See, observe or not, continuously I'm talking with myself only because you are not there. So sad. Okay, understanding? Electrons cancel in opposite side. So this we return and this we return. OH minus ions 6 and 14 OH minus ions in product side. So that side you will have OH minus, because in this 14 is more, no? So OH minus more you will get in product side. Hope you understood. Why I got 4 water molecules, understood? 7 and here 3. So what I have here, 3 SO4 minus 2 plus and 2 Cr plus 3 and 6 and 14 means 8 OH minus ions. Hope everything got balanced. Okay, not hoping, pakka, everything got balanced. If not, don't ask me. Sulfurs same and 2 chromiums. Oxygens, if you see 3 3s are 9 and 7, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 4 20, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 8 oxygens, 20 oxygens. Hydrogens, if you check, 4 2s are 8 and 8 hydrogens got balanced. Minus 6 because 3 2s are okay, 6. So 3 2s are minus 6, minus 2 minus 8 and minus 3 minus 2 minus 6, 2 3s are plus 6. So here cancel. Your minus 6 have write clearly. So if you want, I'll write here 3 into minus 2 minus 6 and minus 2, that means minus 8 I have. Here 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 2 into plus 3 plus 6, 8 into OH minus, so 8 into minus 1, so it's minus 8. So here also I have minus 8, here also I have minus 8. So both sides got balanced. So okay, everything clear? So this you written now, I think so. So this is the final balanced equation. Okay? Got it everyone? So this is the final balanced redox reaction in what medium? Basic medium. Let's take one more example. See, P4 gives rise to PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. You remember or not? This I was given in disproportionation reaction. Only one will undergo both oxidation and reduction. If they ask balancing in acidic medium and basic medium, what to do? Means very simple. P4 means it is the elemental state. It's not working properly. So P4 means 0. In PH3, X plus 3 into hydrogen is less electronegative. So hydrogen is positive is equal to 0. Then X equal to minus 3. I told you this already. PH3 example. Phosphorus is minus 3 here. And here the phosphorus is X plus 2 hydrogens. 2 into plus 1, 2 oxygens. 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1, then X is equal to plus 1 you will get, because plus 2 and minus 4, minus 2 goes that side, plus 2, so X equal to plus 1. So you know this, 0 converted to minus 3, 0 converted to minus 3, which is called reduction, because oxidation state changed from 0 to minus 3, means oxidation state reduced or not, so minus, that is a reduction, sorry. And 0 converted to plus 1, this is oxidation. So here also you have two parts. One is oxidation half and one is reduction half. So from P4 only you have to take. Okay, so please have a screenshot or pause the video and write down. Okay, this you written now already. Hope so. So write down this also final, and I'll write that balance the equation also. Almost chapter completed, and one more oxidation number method is there, that also we will discuss, and we will enter into inorganic. There also no numericals and simple theory, and we can read also. Okay, but for that periodic table is chemical bonding is very important. Okay, so hope you written this also. So I'll separate that. One is oxidation half and one is reduction half. Okay, so what is the oxidation half? Oxidation half, that you know already. What is that? P4 converted to H2PO2 minus. This is oxidation half, right? And what is the reduction half? Reduction half. Okay, reduction half. What is the reduction half, sir? P4, from P4 only you have to take. Okay, so first step is P4 and converted to PH3. This is reduction half. So reduction half I will write this side, sir, your choice, not a problem. But usually I used to write oxidation half left side and reduction half right side, but you can write anything. But I am doing this in first in acidic medium. Okay, in basic medium you can try. Because acidic medium you already tried one example, unknown example. So basic medium, if you practice, no problem. If you cannot, I'll help you there. No problem. So here first thing is you have to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So I have to check phosphorus here. Other than oxygen and hydrogen, what you have? Phosphorus. Here 4 phosphorus you have in reactant side. Here 1 phosphorus. So you have to write 4 here. So P4 gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus. 4H2PO2 minus. Understanding, sir? Okay. Next, third step is balancing of oxygen. How to balance? By adding number of water molecules. So 4 2s are, sorry, this oxygen. 4 2s are 8. Of course, unfortunately, not for unfortunate. Fortunately, here also you have 2 oxygens, so no problem. 4 2s are 8 oxygens, so 8 water molecules. So P4 plus 8H2O and gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus. What I did understood? 4 2s are 8. I am balancing oxygens. 8 oxygens I have here. So 8 water molecules if I add, so that 8 oxygens can be in reactant side. That's why what I did here, 4, I was added 4 here, and here I was added 8 water molecules. Okay, hope you understood what I did. Now the fourth step is balancing of hydrogens. How? By adding H plus ions, because we are balancing in what medium? Acidic medium. So 8 water molecules you have. So how many hydrogens are there? 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. So that side you have 8 hydrogens, this side you have 16 hydrogens. So 8 hydrogens are less in reactant, sorry. 8 hydrogens are less in product side, so 8 H plus ions I have to add in product side. I repeat, 8 2s are 16 hydrogens in reactant side, 4 2s are 8 hydrogens in product side. So if 8 hydrogens are less in product side, so 8 H plus ions I will add in product side itself. So what I will do, P4 plus 8H2O and gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus plus 8H plus. So what I did here, 8H plus ions I was added. I repeat, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 8. That's it. I won't do much more than that. Now come to charge. What is the charge in reactant side? 0. Blindly, because no charge on top. Here I have charge 4 into minus 1. Don't take minus 1 sir directly. Please remember this one. Here what number you have, that number you have to multiply with this charge. So minus means minus 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 8 into plus 1 like that. H plus means I told you already. 8h plus means plus 8. So plus 8. So here I have plus 4 and here I have 0. So what I have to do? 4 electrons I have to add in product side. Why that side? I told you blindly already. Oxidation means loss. So electrons should be in product side. Oxidation. Pakka. So what I can write now? Fifth step. P4 plus 8H2O gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus 8H plus 4 electrons. Got it sir everyone? Why I added 4 electrons, understood? If you have any doubt, please ask me, no problem. Minus 4, 1H plus means plus 1, 8H plus, so plus 8. So minus 4 plus 8 means plus 4. So I have to add 4 electrons. Wherever you have more charge, there only you have to add electrons, I said. So plus 4 is big, here 0. So 4 electrons I was added. Come to the same, here I'll do P4 gives rise to PH3. That means P4 gives rise to 4PH3, right? Why I written 4 understood here? Same, 4 phosphorus you have here, 1 phosphorus, so I have to write 4. Got it? So third step will not be there. Third step not required. That is balancing of oxygen not required. Okay, so oxygen not there, I will do some strikes or I will go to high court sir, don't say. Oxygen not there, you relax. Same as it is right now. Because oxygen is not there in this reduction half. So as it is without balancing of oxygen you can write. P4 gives rise to 4PH3. So no sir, you have to balance oxygen. I cannot because here oxygens are not there in both reactant side and product side. That's why I am not adding any water molecules to balance oxygen. So third step as it is. Fourth step is balancing of hydrogen in acidic medium. Means H plus ions I have to add. 4 3s are 8. So 8 hydrogens I have in product side. In reactant side no hydrogen. So how many hydrogens are more in product side? Those many H plus ions I have to add in reactant side. So what I have to do? P4 plus okay 4PH3. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 H plus ions I have to add. Because here no hydrogen. In product side I have 12 hydrogens. So 12 H plus ions I have to add. Got it sir? Next come to charge balancing. Very simple. Here plus 12 you have and here 0 you have. That means here 12 plus 12 electrons. Then only charge can become 0 or not. Like plus 4, don't say 8. Understanding sir? Sir, plus 4, 8. No sir, how it can be 0 sir, don't ask me. 4 electrons means minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 means 0. Like that plus 12, because 12 H plus ions are there na. 1 H plus means plus 1, 12 H plus means plus 12. So 12 electrons I have to add. Got it? So then only charge can become same in both sides. And so that I can write P4 plus 12 H plus ions plus 12 electrons and gives rise to 4PH3. That's it. Okay. So if you see here 4 electrons, here 12 electrons I was added. Both are multiples to each other. So it's 4 1s are and 4 3s are. So this reaction you should multiply with 3 and this reaction you have to multiply with 1. So this reaction as it is you can write and this reaction you have to multiply with 3. So you do one thing, just multiply with 3. Okay, this as it is write down, both you add and give me answer. And the same balancing of this reaction you have to do in basic medium. And please make it fast. And you are doing, many people did a fantastic job and they did correctly balancing. Congratulations, you understood, thank God. So the same balancing of redox reaction for this reaction you have to do and you have to send me again in our group or personally, not a problem. Okay, So you have to do this equation, same oxidation half and reduction half, but we did in acidic medium, but you have to do in basic medium. Okay, stay safe and please take care about your parents and grandparents.